Hello students, in today's video you are going to learn about past tense. The past tense expresses an action or event that has already taken place or a state of being that existed before the time of speaking. When to use past tense? To denote an action that took place in the past, it indicates an action completed in the past. पास्ट टेंस हमें तब यूज़ करना है जब हम कोई ऐसे एक्शन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जो पहले घटित हो चुका है, पूरा हो चुका है। जैसे द बेबी स्लेप्ट इन द आर्म्स ऑफ हिज मदर, वी डांस्ड द होल नाइट, they served the best food to their guests. In all these sentences, the action have already taken place and that's why we have used verb second form like slept, danced, served. Past tense is often used in narratives. It is used to narrate stories or to report any event. Like grandfather paid him a visit to see if he was comfortable. I spotted a new mall on Bhopal bypass. A tusker escaped from the timber yard. In these sentences, we are telling what has happened. When to use simple past tense? To indicate past habits which are no more practiced in present. Now, वो सारी आदतें जो हम में थी पर हम अब वो प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे हैं, जैसे I always paid his house rent. My grandmother always told interesting stories. During lockdown, we played various indoor games. मीन्स अब हम आप हाउस रेंट पे नहीं कर रहे हैं, ग्रैंड मदर अब इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी नहीं सुनाती हैं और क्योंकि हम अब अनलॉक फेज में हैं, अब हम इंडोर गेम्स नहीं खेलते हैं. Simple past tense is used to talk about the past state of being. It is often expressed with simple past tense of the verb be form. Example, she was the queen of many hearts. My friends were my family. इन सेंटेंस में हम देखेंगे कि यहाँ पर कोई एक्शन नहीं हुआ है, यहाँ पर स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग दिखाया गया है. जैसे वर्ब बी फॉर्म यूज़ है पास्ट टेंस का was and were. When to use simple past tense? Simple past tense is used to refer historical events. जब भी हम ऐतिहासिक घटनाओं के बारे में बात करेंगे तो हम हमेशा simple past tense यूज़ करेंगे. For example, most of South Asia was under foreign rule in the 19th century. India launched first satellite with the help of USSR. In 1498, Vasco da Gama arrived at Calcutta. Here we see all these three events have taken place in the history. To refer to an action or event that occurred over a period of time in the past, we use simple past tense. For example, I served as principal for about 17 years. They suffered for several years as the father was drunkard. Now let's see the structure of simple past tense. If the sentence is an affirmative one, then the structure will be subject plus verb second form plus the rest of the sentence. Let's see the example. She ran towards the door. They bought a new villa. Here the subject is she and they, and the verb second forms are ran and bought. If the sentence is negative sentence, then the structure would be subject plus did not plus verb first form and the rest of the sentence. Like they did not bring the documents. She didn't tell the whole truth. If it is an interrogative sentence, the structure would be did plus subject plus verb first form plus rest of the sentence and the question mark. Look here, the auxiliary verb did will come in the beginning in the interrogative sentence, followed by subject and verb first form. We have to always be careful that with did or did not, we always use verb first form in the sentence. Now with if it is a WH word or a question word, then the structure would be WH word in the beginning, followed by did or didn't, subject and verb first form. Let's see the example. Why did you scold the children? What did they tell you? Now here we are going to see the verb's first form and second form. Usually verb's first form, it signifies present tense, and verb second form stands for past tense. It's very easy to convert present tense into past tense. We have to just add ed or d to the verbs. Only in some cases there are slight changes. Let's see here. Arrive becomes arrived, allow, allowed, abide, abided, become, became, beg, begged, bargain, bargained, catch, caught, crave, craved, count, counted, dig, dug, drown, drowned, defeat, defeated, eat, ate, endear, endeared, elope, eloped, float, floated, fasten, fastened, flash, flashed, grow, grew, gnaw, gnawed, grab, grabbed, hold, held, handle, handled, humiliate, humiliated, invest, invested, include, included, illustrate, illustrated. Let's see how we can change the simple present tense into simple past tense. Oh, you don't have to do much, only you have to change the tense, verb tense. Like in this all sentence, the verbs have been highlighted. Like plays become played, buys become bought, ask become asked, meet becomes met, and lies become lied, and find becomes found. I hope this video will help you to understand simple past tense in a better way.